Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the human brain, your body's ultimate control center. Let's break down the parts of your brain and how they keep you moving, thinking, and feeling. First up, the cerebrum. This is the biggest part of your brain and handles all the big stuff, like thinking, memory, and decision-making. It's also in charge of voluntary movements, like when you decide to wave at a friend. Next, we've got the cerebellum. It might be smaller, but it's super important for coordination and balance. Imagine trying to ride a bike or dance without falling over. Yep, that's the cerebellum at work. Now, let's talk about the brainstem. This part connects your brain to the spinal cord and controls all the things you don't have to think about, like breathing, your heartbeat, and digestion. It's basically your autopilot. And don't forget the hypothalamus. It's small but mighty, controlling things like hunger, thirst, body temperature, and even your emotions. Ever get hangry? You can thank your hypothalamus for that. Last but not least, we have the pituitary gland, often called the master gland. It controls hormones and tells other glands what to do. Growth, metabolism, and even puberty, it's all managed right here, so there you have it. Your brain is an incredible control center, keeping everything running smoothly, from thinking and moving to breathing and feeling. Remember, your brain is always working hard for you, so take care of it. Get plenty of sleep, eat well, and keep learning new things to keep it sharp. Stay smart, stay healthy, and keep that brain buzzing. Like and follow for more cool science tips.